guys, my name is Liz and welcome back. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I try and put out videos every week. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is my first time using this pre-loved site, and it's my first time buying a YSL bag. I'm very excited. I've been looking for like a gray crossbody, something that was kind of subtle, something I could use all the time just to go out. I didn't want anything too flashy, and I wanted something that was pretty durable, wouldn't show marks. So I narrowed it down between two, and I'll explain the two after I show you guys what I bought. But first, before I get into that, I just have to point out, I went to Target the other day and I got this black dress that I'm wearing, and I'll try and insert a picture of this. It's a full length dress with kind of like an angle at the bottom. I got it for $7.49. That's amazing. I'm a bargain shopper. I got a dress for under $8. So obviously it's on clearance, but it's black, so I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down or wear it any time of the year. So I'm super happy about my dress for $8. Okay, so let's get started with the bag. Okay, so like I said, I got my bag pre-loved, and I got it from The RealReal. If you've used that site before, it's a lot of fun to kind of shop on there. They have all kinds of luxury goods. I tend to look at all the handbags because that's my love, and then they also have clothing and jewelry, men's things, all kinds of fun stuff, and it's basically an online consignment shop is what they are. So I've gone on the site before, I've looked at things before, but this is my first time ever purchasing from there. Usually I use Poshmark, which I've been really happy with them. That's been a super easy app to use. I really like it. I've sold things on there and I've purchased things on there. I've been happy doing it both ways. But let's get started. Let's get into the bag. This is my first YSL bag, and I got it pre-loved. So here it came in just a regular cardboard box, and then had some packets like bubble wrap on top, and then inside the box came with this, just The RealReal, and it's basically just information about consigning with them and what they do and where their offices are located. And I think they do actually have some stores, and the receipts in here as well. And then, so I'm sorry I'm losing my voice. And here's what it looks like. It came in a RealReal dust bag. I guess they didn't have the original one, or just didn't come with one. So here it is. I'm very excited about this. I believe this is the fall color. I'm sorry, I might be wrong, but you can see the little YSL logo on the front. And then the back is just plain. And this definitely is more of a squishy bag, and that's kind of what I wanted. I didn't want something anything too stiff. And then, so inside the bag, it's just plain black. And then it has the St. Laurent little logo there. The inside of the bag's in great condition, and then it has that little pocket, and then also it has the St. Laurent envelope in there with, it actually does have the original tag that was on the bag, and I believe, yeah, this is still the same price of the bag now. It's just under $1,000, which is pretty good for luxury. You don't see a lot of bags for under $1,000 anymore. So this is still under $1,000 brand new, but I got it for much, much less than that. I'm very happy with how much it was, the price. And then it has on the strap, it has the long tassel. So I stand corrected. So this is the crossbody in the color, it's called Asphalt, which is, I think it's very much like a charcoal color, dark gray, which is what I wanted. I was looking for this bag in gray, and it was between this bag and the Gucci Soho Disco crossbody in the black, which I I'm still kind of keeping my eye on, but I think that's a really nice bag as well. And I think they're very comparable in size, but so I ended up going with this. And let's keep going over the bag. And it has the long tassel on there, and then the Saint Laurent little logo on the tassel. Tassel's in pretty good condition. And then the strap is also in great condition, and then the strap is adjustable. So like I said, I wish I could compare the Disco to this because I think they're very comparable. This is more of a squishy bag, just like that one. I think they're very similar in size and style. Very plain on the back. It doesn't have a pocket. So, and they're very kind of subtle for a luxury bag. Just the logo is the same color as the rest of the bag. It doesn't stand out. So this is what I was looking for, and I found it in gray. I couldn't find it in gray on Poshmark, so I found it on The RealReal, and when I saw the price, I thought it was great, and I am just super excited to wear this. I cannot wait to try it on and use it every day. So if you like this unboxing, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and try and put out videos every week. And I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.